Did you not know I was going to be here?
No.
Well, we can't ride together, but I thought I'd say hello.
Hello. How are you? Yeah, good. How are you? Oh, cold. It's freezing, isn't it? Yeah. Right, bye then, mate.
It's blue sky above us, but it's raining.
Yeah. The weather forecast was better than this, wasn't it?
One day we'll be allowed to ride together. Video 113. Just on my way to meet Justin.
Mr. CADE.
You having fun?
Yeah, it's good to see you, man.
Do you want to come out in the rain and ride bikes?
Yeah, let's do it. So this was like this. But then I grabbed it the other day and I squeezed and I snapped it. This is a large. It's still too small, isn't it?
It's fine, it's aero.
Is it?
Yeah, it's aero, it's good.
It's actually quite warm.
Feel how aero it is by moving.
I actually did notice more aero.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it wasn't supposed to rain today, but as you can see by the water on the lens, it is raining, which makes our ride a little bit problematic because Justin's quite low down on a handbike and will get sprayed in the face constantly with water and grit and shit.
Yeah.
But you know what? That's his problem, not mine.
How's that?
We're going to do a couple of laps in between showers. I mean, it's sunny over there. Fingers crossed, we'll be fine.
Should we ride over there?
Well, that way. Nah, that's where all the cars are.
Hey, thank you very much, bud.
Good, mate. We'll have a coffee and wait for it to rain again, and then we'll go.
In the meantime, I'll just leave my handbike out here getting wetter and wetter.
Yeah. Make sure the cushion's like soaked, saturated. Yeah.
It helps with the aerodynamics.
How?
Because when all the water sprays off after you, it slows everyone else down.
This.
Okay, no, that one was loose, but this one's not loose. That one's tight.
That's not tight enough. His wheels will just come off.
What is that?
What?
That. Look at it.
I love how our bikes are exactly the same shape.
You're going rock climbing.
What's on my little bag?
You're on a 10 grand. Okay. No rules bag.
On my little bag?
Should be hung for treason. Immediately.
A bit harsh. He's got a bar bag on his bike.
No, but that's aesthetically pleasing because it's not.
This is way better than the last ride we did together.
Well, we've lasted for longer so far. And my bike's in one piece. Your socks are very white.
For now.
For now.
Love cycling. Today's ride, things are looking up. The sun's come out, keep bumping into people we know. Trying to, obviously keeping it as one person to ride with at a time, but it's nice. Good community in the park. Cold hands, cold hands. You got the right idea.
I've still got cold hands, even with gloves on. I don't know how you're coping.
Who was giving me shit for not wearing gloves?
Why did it not record it? It didn't record.
Strava, it didn't happen, mate.
Well, luckily I had two things recording it, so if one fails, the other backs it up, but still. Why is it not even getting my heart rate?
My viewers have been asking how you are.
Have they?
How are you?
What, just randomly asking?
Yeah.
That's quite nice.
I have people ask about you a lot.
Seriously?
Yeah, they miss you.
Oh.
I miss you.
I miss you too. I've been alright. Busy. You know, wheelchair stuff is just taking up so much time these days. Do you genuinely just get random people asking how I'm doing?
Yeah.
Do you ever think... Oh, actually, wait, you're still recording me, aren't you?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Do you ever think about how many people are probably just watching your videos? Like, just, I mean, obviously you know how many people are watching, but like the people who are maybe sitting at home and just thinking, when am I going to have my next interaction with Francis? I want Francis in my life today.
I don't think that. I'd like to think that all my viewers are just normal, nice normal people.
Of course they are. When I'm cycling in the park, people stop me and say, hey, Francis's videos. They really do all the time. I had one guy actually ask me once, he said, do you know Francis CADE? And I said, yes. He said, there's a guy in his videos that looks just like you on a handbike. And I said, I think maybe it's me. He was like, no.
Were you on a handbike?
I was on my handbike. And they said, no, it's not you. It's definitely someone else. We should do like a Q&A one day.
You want to do a Q&A?
Oh, I said, you can do a Q&A. Everyone can put in their weirdest questions about disability that they don't feel comfortable asking. So people can just send off all of the questions without any fear of sounding weird or like a devotee. that can be one of the things I answer about.
I got a question.
Yes.
Is that carbon fibre, and how expensive is it?
Oh no, it's not. I did have carbon fibre on the sideguards, but they broke. Not from me, from someone else, so they've been welded again. But yeah, it's very expensive. It's 8.5 grand.
Are most people's wheelchairs 8.5 grand? Is that because you want a
No, so like
one?
if you're a very active user, then you want to have, I think this chair standard is about 5 grand. But then with the extra bits of welding that I have on it, I wanted it reinforced in a couple of other areas because I use it obviously all the time. I go up and down curbs a lot, up and down stairs. And if you've got a weaker chair...
Jumping gaps?
Jumping gaps, yeah. If you have a weaker chair, then it can just get weaker over time and break. And I don't want that to happen because I have a habit of breaking things.
You buy cheap, you buy twice.
Exactly, exactly. I just got these new push rims. Have a guess how much those were?
What, just the bit you hold?
Yeah, just that thing. Just that one piece of metal.
300, we're being attacked by crows.
Remember Home Alone? Crazy pigeon lady in New York.
I think she can hear us. Hell is this?
What's what? Avocado eggs.
Bag of wooden balls
Yeah.
from the inside of an avocado.
Yeah. Limited edition.
Of course it turns into a beautiful day after our ride. Not a paid thing for Grip Grab, and they didn't send these to me for free. Oversocks. These are a brand new product, and I think they've just solved a huge problem for me. They're long oversocks that look good, but they're waterproof. Keeping your feet warm and dry on rides sometimes is quite a challenge. There are products out there, but a lot of them are like neoprene sort of wetsuit material. Then in the last few years, Velo toes came out. They're super waterproof and aerodynamic, but not the most durable products, so probably more geared towards racing. I saw these advertised online. They look really good, so I wanted to give them a go. Apparently rated down to 1 degree as well, so I'll give these a good test as we don't seem to be short of rain right now, and let you know what I think. Fantastic to catch up with Justin today. If you have any questions for him, we are going to make a Q&A video, his idea, called Wheelchair Stuff. So if you've got any questions related to disability, handbikes, jiu-jitsu, because I'm pretty sure he's world champion in jiu-jitsu, put them in the comments down below. I'll meet up with him again in the next couple of weeks and we will answer them. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos this week.
Park and then
Told you, wheelchair stuff.
Yeah, see that? They didn't give up. Hello everyone.